Hello, welcome back to the channel, and quick video this week because I have a question to ask you which I'm hoping that some of you will have some experience of and will be able to give me advice. Anyway, so my question I have is this: is there something wrong with my solar array, or is this normal? So I've got 12 Qcell 385 watt panels on my south facing roof here in Swansea, which means I should be getting a peak electricity generation of 4.65 kilowatts. Through March and April we had some very sunny days where it's basically been wall-to-wall sunshine, so we've been getting pretty much perfect solar generation curves, and I'll put them up on the bottom of the screen, or across the screen now. But as you'll see, that I'm not actually on any of those days getting the 4.6 kilowatt peak that you'd expect in the middle. Last summer I was getting these, however I haven't got the previous 2 Marches and Aprils haven't been that good, so I've got no data to compare to. So is this normal that I'm only getting about 90% of my peak energy production? Yes, I know that when solar panels heat up they become less efficient, but it hasn't been that hot, and compared to say last summer where we were getting very hot days and we could see the drop in peak. So it could be a bit of that. It could be a problem with my solar panels, or it could just be normal for March. So if anybody else has any south facing panels sort of around the Swansea area, or anywhere where it's been nice and sunny but you haven't seen the peak, can you just let me know? Or if you have any other ideas, can you let me know about that as well? Anyway, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Links for, again, discounts of Octopus and stuff are down below, and I'll see you in another video very soon.